Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak Excellent English. I'm Dr. Priscilla, and I'm so happy you're here today. In this quick lesson, we'll learn the difference between here and here, so you can speak English more clearly and confidently. Plus, don't forget our free English classes that will begin in May. Let's get started and speak excellent English together. Now, let's learn the word hear. Hear means to listen with your ears. Hear. We use hear for sounds, music, voices, and noises all around us. Listen to this example. I can hear music. Now repeat after me. I can hear music. Excellent. Remember, hear is about sound. If you listened with your ears, you hear it. Let's continue to the next word. Here means this place. We use here, Here, when we talk about a place near us. Listen to the example. Please come here. Now repeat after me. Please come here. Excellent. Remember, here, Here, is about location or place. If someone says, come close to me, they say, come here. Great job. Let's continue. Remember, these two words sound the same, but they have different meanings. Here, Hear, means to listen with your ears. Example, I can hear music. Here means this place. Example, please come here. Small difference, big meaning. When you speak English, choose the correct word with confidence. Excellent work. Now, let's practice together. Write one sentence using HEAR, here, or HERE, here. For example, I can HEAR, hear birds in the morning. Or, please come here, HERE. Write your sentence in the comments below. I'd love to read your answers and help you continue to learn. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep speaking excellent English. You all did a wonderful job today, and now you are invited to join our free English Confident classes starting in May. If you want to speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally, these classes are for you. Simply type May 1 in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English. See you in the next class.